Tutorial 6. Vetting or editing attribute data to the imported AMRUT file. In this tutorial, we will learn how to vet or add attribute data to the imported geospatial layers of the AMRUT file in the mobile application. Let's see the steps to be followed. Open the Sankalan 2.0 application in your mobile phone. The home page of the application will be displayed with current location with a geofence boundary. Click on the database icon in the bottom navigation bar to access the list of all the imported surveys. Click on the desired survey to open it. The imported survey with all the desired geospatial layers will be displayed on your mobile application. Now, to vet the attribute of any feature, tap and hold any geometry within the geofence. It is very important to note that edit or vetting of the attribute data is not permitted outside the geofence boundary. A pop-up message will appear to choose between edit geometry or edit attributes. Choose edit attributes to edit or vet attribute data. A page to select a feature will be displayed. Select the suitable feature and click on proceed. A multi-stage input form will appear. Fill out the form and click on the Save button at the end of the form. Post saving the attributes, the geometry will appear in green. Repeat the same process for all the features in your grid to finish the process of attribute vetting. Thank you.